Alright guys, this is the quote-unquote extra mile portion of that. So we haven't gotten the car up, so I figured before I did that, if any of you were curious, and this is generally for those of us who are or were Corvette owners, we know that you have to be extremely careful with the chassis of the car because it is, after all, aluminum. Now, the Camaro is steel, but it doesn't mean you don't want to go the extra mile and be careful. That's why they make these guys. Now, if this looks like what you think it is, which is a hockey puck, that's because you're 100% right. This is a hockey puck, but better known as a jacking puck. What they do is they take a hockey puck. Now, of course, this one's seen better days, but it still works. Just drill a hole right through it, put a little loop around it. Now, the reason this has the little loop in it is because from the manufacturer, General Motors has these holes. If you feel it right around here on the jacking part of the car, you should feel a little hole about this big. Look at that. It's going to be right around there. So you can imagine this turning into it. Those little holes are actually put there so that when the car is being transported, they could simply chain it down, tighten it down to the truck, and on its merry way. So within those holes, you can pop in your puck for extra added protection from your jack. Get your jack under there, jack it up, and good to go. Just figured I'd add that in there, again, for those that like going the extra mile.